Hi everyone and welcome. Nowadays, one of such cakes which traditionally has a coin baked inside for good luck is Greek New Year's cake. What other such cakes do you know?
To make the cake, let's beat soft room temperature butter and add to it sugar. When the sugar has been mixed in, let's add 2 eggs and beat till the batter is light and fluffy. Now let's add the 2 liquid ingredients, milk and alcohol. I am using honey liquor from Crete. The original recipe suggests using brandy. Let's mix baking powder with the flour and sift it in the rest of the batter. And mix the batter with a spoon till it's smooth. As last, let's add the almond flour or ground almonds to the batter. They will give the cake a nutty crunch and flavor. The cake will also stay moist and fresh for longer, unless eaten quick. Let's mix everything well, cover the batter in the bowl and leave in room temperature, warm place for about 2 hours. Let's set the oven to heat to 180 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I will use and grease a bundt cake pan for the New Year's cake. Usually I see this cake baked in a round cake pan. Let's put the batter in the cake pan and level. The batter is quite thick and feels a little foamy. As last, before baking, I will put a coin for good luck wrapped in a baking paper in the cake. And put the cake in the oven to bake for about 35-45 minutes till a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out dry. If the cake is not ready yet but starts to brown too much, cover it loosely with a piece of aluminum foil. The match I am using is dry, so the cake is ready. Let's remove it from the oven and let it cool before removing from the cake pan. I will cut off the uneven bottom and pour a little bit of lemon juice mixed with powdered sugar glaze over the cake. And it's ready. And here is my coin for good luck next year. The cake is a bit crunchy on the outside and soft, moist inside. Simple but delicious. Enjoy the New Year's cake and see you next week. Bye!